The edges, look at the edges.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Put her back in.
Just have a look underneath. Underneath's a bit on the cooked side. Give it another 30 seconds, I think.
From when?
Probably a bit.
Yep, start now.
That needs more than 30 seconds.
Pizza cooking committee.
Might be worth next time not putting the stone under for so long because I think it's burnt the underneath.
Yeah, I did say that to you.
No, because what
Well,
that
no,
does, it
we're-
crisps
we're-
it up
we're
and leaves it
learning.
good floppy, you know?
Yeah,
We're
I know.
learning as we go. Yeah, but it's black at the bottom.
Yeah.
Go
I don't
and
usually
dip it
have
in
that
the
problem,
river.
to be fair.
Yeah. Yeah, it's black at the bottom. Right.
Three, two. Oh, you took it out earlier. It'll be undercooked
Yeah, we
now.
had 2 seconds extra.
Look at that.
That's a
Right,
fair
where's
effort.
Where's the dish?
Yeah.
We'll
Put any
get
on
people's
mine.
opinions. Have you got a knife to cut it up with?
Ah, you didn't ask for that.
How are you going to get it up there?
With the other paddle thing.
Oh fuck.
The other paddle.
No, that'll melt them.
Where did I put the other paddle? I had that to do it with. Where did I do it? It's still cooking.
No, I know where it is.
Where did you lay it down, John?
I put it beside the washing up table.
Oh,
so
so
he's
that's
had it.
why. Because I thought I had it up here.
I washed it up. You had your egg on it.
Just get the shovel.
Just. Oh dear.
Is it so much?
Laid up against the leg, isn't it? Well, it was when I washed it up.
Al, so just hide my plate.
Oh, this. Oh,
And give it to someone else for now.
Oh, it smells nice. It's staying up this thing.
That's it. Give it all to Richard. Fold it over, you can have a calzone.
Cut it up. Yeah. Or I get the next one.
Just cut it up with that.
You could have got a knife when you're
Oh
up
yeah,
there.
use that.
Oh, just use that.
Well, this.
Yeah.
Well, actually, that like this. That's not
Yeah,
bad
yeah,
up
there you
here
go.
actually. See, this is good.
I'm a sixer now.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You
Haven't got the
get dressed
uniform.
up as yet. Yeah, you've got the uniform on.
That cheese pop there. See that? Someone's got to just crust. So that cut.
Knock the stone on a bit more, mate. Knock the stone towards you a bit.
Not with your leg.
That's all right.
At
That's
least
fine.
they were cut.
Yeah, you got a knife?
John.
John's
that?
job, yeah.
How many of us are there?
Well, it
Seven.
doesn't- just keep eating,
6.
cooking, and eat,
Seven.
cooking. Just don't let Richard have it all.
He's a white one, you said.
There you go.
Look at that.
Ah.
Ah!
Right.
Say magnifique.
Magnifique. Well done.
Thank you. One down. Yeah,
Take the
I've
stone.
got it. Yeah, I've got it.